Ever heard the one about the Bitcoin investor? He lost all his money, but he's not worried. He's just waiting for it to reappear. Well, jokes aside, welcome to the fascinating world of cryptocurrency investments. Today we demystify this exciting, yet often misunderstood realm. We all know the buzzwords: Bitcoin, Ether, Ripple, Litecoin. But what does it mean to actually invest in these digital assets? It's not just about buying low and selling high. There's a whole universe of strategies and approaches out there, from dollar cost averaging to exchange-traded funds. There are exchanges, platforms, wallets, a plethora of tools to help you navigate these digital seas. But as with any investment, there's always a risk. And in the wild west of crypto, those risks can often be obscured or disguised. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency investments. Cryptocurrency is not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. There are different ways to invest, and each comes with its own set of opportunities and risks. Venturing into the world of cryptocurrency, you'll find a variety of investment strategies. Let's dive into some of them. Firstly, there's dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price of the cryptocurrency. This method can be a good choice for beginners, as it reduces the impact of volatility and spreads the risk over time. Next, we have exchanges. Cryptocurrency. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. They come in different flavors, from centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance to decentralized ones like Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Each has its own advantages and drawbacks in terms of security, user interface, and accessibility. Then there are exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like individual stocks. Crypto ETFs allow investors to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies without the need to buy, store, and manage them directly. However, these are subjected to regulatory approval and may not be available in all jurisdictions. There's also the option of initial coin offerings, or ICOs, where you can buy a new cryptocurrency before it hits the exchange. ICOs can offer high returns, but also come with high risks, as many have turned out to be scams or failed projects. And let's not forget about mining, where you can earn cryptocurrencies by verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. This can be quite resource-intensive, requiring powerful hardware and lots of electricity. Each of these investment types carries its own level of risk and potential returns. Dollar cost averaging is generally considered low risk, but offers comparatively moderate returns. On the other hand, ICOs and mining can offer high returns, but at a much higher risk. Understanding these investment types is crucial to making informed decisions in the crypto arena. So, are you ready to make your move? Just like traditional investments, the platform you choose for your crypto investments matters a lot. Imagine going to a supermarket. You're looking for the best quality products, but also an enjoyable shopping experience. Cryptocurrency investment platforms are, in essence, similar to supermarkets. They have different aisles or sections for each type of investment, and the ease of navigation, like how well laid the supermarket is, affects your overall experience. Let's dive into the world of these platforms. Each one differs in terms of security measures, accessibility, and user interface. Security is paramount. You wouldn't want to leave your hard-earned money in a locker with a faulty lock, right? Some platforms offer advanced security features like two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and insurance against cyber theft. These are the Fort Knox of crypto platforms. On the other hand, some platforms might not have as robust security measures, making your investments potentially vulnerable. Accessibility is the next crucial factor. Some platforms are global, allowing anyone, anywhere to invest. Others might have geographical restrictions, limiting accessibility. The platforms also differ in the types of cryptocurrencies they offer. Some stick to the popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, whereas others offer a broader range of altcoins. It's like choosing between a local grocery store and a global supermarket. Now let's talk about the user interface. The ease of use can significantly affect your investment journey. It's like using a map. A clear, well-detailed map can make your journey smooth, while a confusing one can leave you lost. Some platforms have intuitive, user-friendly interfaces, making it easy for beginners and experts alike. Others might have more complex interfaces, which could be more suited to experienced investors. In the end, it's all about finding the right fit. Just as you would choose a supermarket based on what you value, be it variety, quality, or convenience, the same goes for selecting a cryptocurrency investment platform. Choosing the right platform can be the difference between a successful investment and a disastrous one. Make your choice wisely. In the world of crypto investments, not everything that glitters is gold. Scams lurk in the shadows, ready to pounce on unsuspecting investors. As the allure of cryptocurrency investments continues to grow, so too does the cunning and creativity of scammers. They've honed their skills to craft schemes that are often very convincing. But fear not, for knowledge is power, and by understanding their tactics, we can stay one step ahead. One common scam is the Ponzi scheme. Here, scammers promise high returns to investors, but in reality, they use the money from new investors to pay off the old ones. It's a vicious cycle that eventually crumbles. So, if someone promises you guaranteed profits or returns that seem too good to be true, it probably is. Another infamous scam is the pump and dump. Scammers artificially inflate the price of a lesser-known cryptocurrency, encouraging others to invest heavily. Once the price skyrockets, the scammers sell off their shares, causing the price to plummet and leaving the other investors in the dust. There are also phishing scams where scammers trick individuals into revealing sensitive information like usernames, passwords, and credit card details. They do this by disguising themselves as trustworthy entities through emails, text messages, or fake websites. So, how do we spot these scams? Always do your due diligence. Research the authenticity of the investment opportunity. Use verified and secure platforms for transactions. Be cautious of unsolicited communications and high-pressure sales tactics. And finally, protect your personal information like it's gold, because in the digital world, it is. If you suspect a scam, report it to your local authorities and to the platform where the scam originated. By doing so, you're not only protecting yourself, but also helping to safeguard the community. Scams can be daunting, but remember, they are the exception, not the rule in the world of cryptocurrency investments. With awareness and caution, we can navigate the crypto landscape safely and confidently. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Your crypto investments are worth protecting. Every investor has a story to tell, and we want to hear yours. How many of you remember the first time you purchased a cryptocurrency? The anticipation, the excitement, the uncertainty. These feelings are a part of every investor's journey, and they shape us, teach us, and sometimes surprise us. Whether you've been in the game for years or you're just getting started, each crypto investment experience is unique. And yet, there's so much we can learn from each other. Remember the time you first heard about Bitcoin and thought it was a risky fad? Or when you saw the value of your investments skyrocket during a bull run? Or that moment of panic when the market took a nosedive? These experiences, both good and bad, are what make the crypto journey so thrilling. Investing in cryptocurrency is not just about numbers and charts. It's about learning, adapting, and growing. It's about the thrill of finding a new altcoin with potential or the satisfaction of seeing your careful research pay off. And sometimes it's about the hard lessons, the times when things didn't go as planned and you had to pick yourself up and dust off. But remember, these setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities to learn and grow. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and ever-changing. There's always a new trend to explore, a new coin to consider, or a new strategy to learn. And that's why sharing your experiences is so valuable. It's through your stories, your insights, and your lessons learned that we can all become better, more informed investors. So let's start a conversation. Share your crypto journey in the comments. Tell us about your wins, your losses, and the lessons you've learned along the way. Let's celebrate the victories, learn from the setbacks, and support each other on this incredible journey. Your stories are not just your own. They are lessons for others, and together we can navigate the crypto world better. The world of cryptocurrency investments is vast and ever-evolving, and there's always more to learn. As we navigate this exciting digital frontier, it's crucial to remember that knowledge is power. It's the key to making informed decisions, avoiding pitfalls, and maximizing potential returns. Now, you might be thinking, I've got the basics, what's next? Well, the joy of learning is that there's always a new horizon to explore. And in the world of cryptocurrency, it's a horizon that's constantly expanding, full of fresh opportunities and challenges. So, what's the next stop on your crypto journey? Perhaps it's diving deeper into the mechanics of dollar-cost averaging or exploring the nuances of exchange-traded funds. Maybe it's understanding the security protocols of different platforms or mastering the art of spotting scams before they spot you. Whatever it is, there's a wealth of information waiting for you right here on this channel. We've got videos that delve into each of these topics and more, providing you with the insights and advice you need to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. And the journey doesn't end there. The crypto universe is always expanding, and so is our content. We're constantly adding new videos, keeping you up to date on the latest trends, tips, and tricks. Next up, we're taking a closer look at the world of decentralized finance or DeFi. We'll be dissecting its potential, its risks, and how it's shaping the future of finance. So if you're ready to take your crypto knowledge to the next level, make sure you tune in. But remember, the best way to learn is through experience. So don't just watch the videos, get involved. Try out different investment strategies, experiment with various platforms, and share your experiences with us. We'd love to hear from you. Stay curious, stay informed. The crypto world awaits you. Until next time, keep investing and keep learning. I'm Joshua Carnival, and this is my channel. Let us know by like if something from this video was new or important for you. Comment below with any topic that sparks your curiosity or ignites your passion, and let's dive deeper together. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for a whirlwind of captivating content. Your journey with us is just beginning. Hit subscribe and brace yourself for a wild ride.